Okay, so this question wants us to graph the sum of these two equations right here. Y equals 4x plus 3 and y equals negative x minus 2. So first we need to find the sum of the equations. Y equals 4x plus 3. It looks like it would be pretty easy to get rid of the y's if I multiply the second equation by negative 1. So that gives me negative y equals x plus 2. And I can add these. That gives me 5 plus 5x, and the y minus y equals 0. And now I can solve for x. Negative 5x equals 5. X equals negative 1. So the sum of the two equations gives me another equation, which is x equals negative 1. Let's graph x equals negative 1 over here. Here is negative 1 on the x-axis, and my graph of x equals negative 1 will just be a straight line through x equals negative 1. Now notice that this sum meets the same intersection point as the other two lines. So all three of these equations have the exact same solution point. Let's try one more. Graph the sum of the equations. So again, let's find the sum of the equations. Negative x plus 3y equals negative 9, and x plus y equals 1. My x's are ready to be canceled out here, so negative x plus x equals 0. 3y plus y equals 4y, and then negative 9 plus 1 equals negative 8. Solve for y, I get the equation y equals negative 2. Now I want to graph this equation, y equals negative 2. Here is negative 2 on the y-axis, and my graph of y equals negative 2 is just going to be a straight line going through negative 2 on the y-axis. Note one more time that this third equation has the same solution point as the first two, as the solution to the first two equations.